Kimmer a Hashif. Thalchika Ernest Fihitsa Koik Jiak, Unit 35. In this unit, we'll be looking at how to express hopes. To say that you hope, you say Hami and Dochus, followed by whatever it is that you hope. Hami and Dochus. Hami and Dochus.
In the following scenes, listen for Hami and Dochus gewillend hachgresost. I hope that you're hungry. Hami and Dochus gewill and hachgresost. Hami and Dochus gewill and hachgresost.
Ruidi, troet, had vi ook jeshal.
Hami a chin.
Shawnish. Hami and Dochus gewill and hachgresost.
Ha kayat ma.
Kimmer a Hashif. Hami and Dochus gewelshif na shar.
Hami pick na shar and you.
Shafludig en voisebal. Hai and Dochus gewelshif na shar.
Oh, hayat bria. More an tang.
Hami and Dochus gewilshiv na shar. I hope you're better. Hami and Dochus gewilshiv na shar. Hami and Dochus gewilshiv na shar.
Hai and Dochus gewilshiv na shar. She hopes you're better. He hopes is Hai and Dochus. Hai and Dochus.
In this next scene, listen for Hami and Dochus gewilliat a koper trang. I hope that they're busy working. Hami and Dochus gewilliat a koper trang. Hami and Dochus gewilliat a koper trang.
Gaan je al nog een G-shakov? Kaatje wil een jonjelle.
Ha de gopper lit a computer.
Hami and Dochus gewill at de gopper trang.
Hami and Dochus gewill.
The boss is surprised. He says, Gaan je laun ach een Shakov? There are just the two of you. And he asks, where are the others?
He adds, Hami and Dochus gewill. I hope so. Hami and Dochus gewill. Hami and Dochus gewill. One other phrase in this section, to say they hope, you say, Ha iat an Dochus. Ha iat an Dochus.
To say that you hope something is not, you say, Hami and Dochus nach el. Hami and Dochus nach el. In the following scene, listen for Hami and Dochus nach el shin ra anamach. I hope we're not too late.
Hami and Dochus nach Elshin ra Anna mach es an a jiet.
Hami and Dochus nach heel.
Hallo, Vicky. Heimish. Hami and Dochus got tourist makef.
Vag, Gerard. Hami and Dochus nach Roski fev.
Haro. Chromme je share ach kook minatchen.
To say that you hope that something was, you say, Hami and Dochus gun raw. Hami and Dochus gun raw. Hami and Dochus gun raw tourist ma akav. I hope that you had a good journey.
To say that you hope something was not, you say, Hami and Dochus nach raw. Hami and Dochus nach raw. Hami and Dochus nach raw ski a fev. I hope you weren't tired waiting.
To say that you hope that something will be, you say, Hami and Dochus can be. Hami and Dochus can be. In the next situation, listen for Hammy and Dorcas can be cheaty guliorakin. I hope that we will have enough time.
Ha a bhua dúna ag sia uaran. Ha mi an dochas go mi cheaty go leorakin.
Ha mi an dochas go bí. Ha fé, making is banya.
In this next scene, look out for Hammy and Dorcas can be Turigaun amarach. I hope that it will be dry tomorrow. Hammy and Dorcas can be Turigaun amarach. Hammy and Dorcas can be Turigaun amarach.
Ha mi an dochas go bí tudig an na maidach.
Carson, Jia Tacherstein.
Fi mi a clich golf.
Hammy and Dochus can be lama hacket.
Och, ha mi géintach go bí. Is stelm golf.
Hammy and Dorcas can be law market. I hope that you will have a good day. Hammy and Dorcas can be law market. Hammy and Dorcas can be law market.
Ian replied, Hammy Keenjich can be. I'm sure I will. Hammy Keenjich can be. Hammy Keenjich can be.
To say that you hope that something will not be, you say, Hammy and Dorcas nach be. Hammy and Dorcas nach be. Hammy and Dorcas nach be an tushke an noch. I hope that it won't rain tonight.
Ha mi an dochas nach bí an duisce an na noch.
A bhfuil a dul amach.
Ha mi a dolle giesgach.
Ha I fuair. Ha mi an dochas nach biúra uair.
Cha bhí. Fi mi kerst go leir.
Kaatje wil een bus. Hammy and Dochus nach be a fatican jean.
Ha mi an dochas nach bí. Ha I uavisach fuair.
Hammy and Dorcas nach biura uur. I hope that you won't be too cold.
Hammy and Dorcas nach be a fatte kunchien. I hope that it won't be long in coming.
And the reply was, Hammy and Dorcas nach be. I hope it won't be. Hammy and Dorcas nach be. Hammy and Dorcas nach be.
To say that you hope that someone will enjoy something, you say, Hammy and Dorcas, followed by kunkorst. Hammy and Dorcas kunkorst an CD reef. I hope that you enjoy the CD. Hammy and Dorcas kunkorst an CD reef. Hammy and Dorcas kunkorst an CD reef. The familiar form is Hammy and Dorcas kunkorst an CD rucht.
Seo,
Jehan.
an CD uur ag runrig.
Oh, tapeleit.
Ha mi an dochas gan carsteir ut.
Oh, korsti. Ha mi géintach gan gorst.
Oh, Korsti, Hammy Keenjoch kunkorst. Oh, yes, I'm sure I will enjoy it. Oh, Korsti, Hammy Keenjoch kunkorst. Oh, Korsti, Hammy Keenjoch kunkorst.
Camera Hashiv. Faltje go unit fichit sa shiatiek. Unit 36. In this unit, we'll be looking at ways of exchanging news. The phrase "Jehatol," what's doing, was introduced in an earlier unit.
Another way to ask what news a person has is to say, Jetenerk. What's your news? Jetenerk. Jetenerk. Or more formally, Nerk.
You can also ask, A vil calas ur. Is there anything new? A vil calas ur. A vil calas ur.
Hallo, Avorak. Tje hat al. A vil calas ur.
Chanel Cal. Si doch yn afisht.
Hi, Anush. Jet an eich.
Chanel cala súd. Dúr naach cé.
Och an il moran.
Tje den eich yn diw erach.
Chan il dat. Ach i a fwr.
There are a number of ways of saying you have little or no news. We heard some of them in the dialogues. Chanil Kaal. Nothing at all. Chanil Kaal. Chanil Kaal.
She added, Dierich an avisht. Just the usual. Dierich an avisht. Dierich an avisht.
Chanil Kaal asur. Nothing new at all. Chanil Kaal asur. Chanil Kaal asur.
The speaker asked, Je nech heen. What's your own news? And the reply was, Chanil moran. Not much. Chanil moran. Chanil moran.
A comment about the weather is often added. Chanil dat. Nach ia ha fwr. Nothing at all. Isn't it cold?